Buongiorno, principessa. From the pizza to the pasta to the coffee and the culture. Today we are celebrating Italian Republic Day.
And bringing us the festivities is Anthony Fafaro, the owner of a Sydney Italian restaurant. A very good morning to you, Anthony.
Hey guys, how you going?
We are amazing, but tell us, how are you celebrating there today?
Oh, well, we're celebrating here in Panania with free Zipperly and coffee for our locals and also with some Italian music.
You brought in some friends to entertain your guests today. Who have you brought in there, Anthony?
We've got Pippo and Pasquale. Collectively, they've got 5 million views online.
Hello.
And they're good value. Yeah.
Hello, everybody. Buongiorno.
Buongiorno, boys. Guys, tell us about growing up in Australia for you two. Pippo, Pasquale, how about growing up in Australia? How was that for you guys?
Yeah, thank you, people. Growing up in Australia, there's two different things for me. If you go to Italia, the Italian people, they got more hair, but on the back. But here in Australia, we got more hair on the front. I got this problem myself. I can't wax or shave. It's hurt too much, you know?
Finish. Yeah, and for me, I became, I used to be a fruit and vegetable security guard back in Italy, and I came here, and Australia had a lot of opportunity, and I became, the authority on salami handling and Parmesan cheese science.
We've all had to do some handling in our time, boys.
Well, I mean, so you're kicking off a tour around the country. I think we might have an idea, but tell us exactly what we can expect from the show.
Yes, our new show, it's a beautiful show. It's called Two Wog and One Salami.
Two wog and one salami.
Because we cannot afford the two salami, so we got to go with one. Yes.
That's it.
People, what can the people see at the show?
Okay, you can expect variety, you can expect songs, sketch, and a lot of stand-up comedy, so you're going to have a good time. And it's cheap. It's so cheap.
Very cheap. We pay you to come.
Well, look, happy it's our Italy Day, everybody. Boys, thank you so much. Good luck with the tour. Anthony, great to have you on here. How are the donuts?
Oh, delicious. I haven't had a go yet, but...
Get a go.
No, I
have a go on camera. Let's go. Have a go on camera.
Buon
there
appetito.
You go. See?
Unreal.
Prego. We'll be back with more after the break.
Bellissima.
Bellissima.